have my summer FabFitFun box to unbox with you today. I have been sharing FabFitFun videos. I posted one for my winter box, one for my spring box. Now we're doing summer. I am so excited. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a subscription. I have signed up for it annually, but you also can sign up seasonally. So it's a seasonal subscription, 4 boxes a year if you sign up for annual. They're all themed for the season. This is my summer box. I selected the options for this a little while back now. I know that, much like I talked about in my spring unboxing, which now that I think about it, I may have posted as a members only video. So if you didn't catch that and you want to join my membership and check it out, you can. But I said in that video that the spring box selections were not as good, in my opinion, as the winter, which was the box that made me sign up for FabFitFun, because there were so many great items in there. Summer, I kind of felt the same way. Like, there's some good stuff in here, but not as many items. Like with the winter box, I think I added on multiple things in multiple categories because all of the options were so great. For the spring box, I don't think I added on anything. And for summer, I added on just a couple of things. So let me just get into it. I will link FabFitFun down below if you want to join and get a box for yourself. This box is real big. I've been watching some unboxings from other people and their boxes were a lot smaller. So I don't know if it's just big like this because I added some things on or what, but it's a big box. It says, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. And inside, this is very awkward. I'm not going to keep trying to hold up this box because it's huge, but look at how cute. Oh, sun tanning girl there. All right, I'm going to get this down on the floor and we're just going to kind of reach in and I'm going to share the items with you just kind of as I pull them out. All right, so the first thing in the box is a little card here. It says you can send your friends a free gift with a scan thing. You can invite your friends and family to join and explore summer products. There's little QR codes. And then there's a little scratch off thing here on the back where you can win a Bottega Veneta, I don't know, I'm not a like designer bag connoisseur here. The Jody Hobo bag in partnership with Rebag. So I'll scratch that off later. I'm not gonna win. Okay, so the thing with the summer box and with FabFitFun in general is you have a chance to customize 6 different items. I think it's 6. And for each category, they give you a bunch of different things to choose from. If you like multiple things in one category, you can add those things on for an additional price, but the base price of the box gets you 6 items. I ended up with a lot of hair items. They had some makeup, some skincare, some household things. FabFitFun kind of does a range of things, but I wasn't feeling a lot of it, so I ended up with a lot of hair stuff. So this will just be like the summer of hair products for me, I guess. Starting out with something to cover up my hair when I don't feel like doing it. So I think this was customization 5. If I remember, I'll put up on the screen like which category this choice came from and what some of the other options were. Or maybe I'll just put it in the description box. I don't know. Depends on how lazy I'm feeling when I edit this video. But the item I picked from this category was the champion hat. Now, I am not a hat person. I feel like they look weird on me, but in the summertime, when we're going to soccer games for my son, having something to shade my face is going to be super handy. And Champion's a good brand. It's a nice light color, so it's not going to like draw in all that sun and make my head super hot. So that's the first item. Like I said, they look weird on me, I think. But in terms of like being comfortable this summer, I'm okay with looking weird. So that's the first item. Definitely something very practical for the summer season. For customization number 1, so this is like the best of the best, right? Like the first category has all the best stuff, and then it goes like down in value from there. I chose a bag. A very, very summer appropriate bag. This is from Montse, M-O-N-T-C-E, I don't know. And it's just a little fun, like, is this rattan or raffia? I don't know. Very quintessential summer, like, bucket bag. So I think this is going to be great for throwing all of my stuff in to go to a soccer game or to the pool or, you know, wherever we end up this summer. I think it could even make like a great everyday summer purse. It's got this strap here that is adjustable, which is nice. I like the color. I like the little drawstring. Inside, there is just one little slip pocket, which I'm sure you can't see down in there, but there it is. And yeah, of all of the items in this category, this was the one that I thought I would get the most use out of, so that's what I picked. Next up, I have the Amika Mirror Ball shampoo and conditioner. I have never tried Amika products, but I've heard really great things about them. You guys, I have so many hair products right now. I did not need this, but of all the options, this was something that I knew that I would use. And so ultimately, this is gonna go in my little stash of products. I don't know when I will get to it, but it is their Mirror Ball High Shine and Protect Antioxidant Shampoo and Conditioner. I was happy to see that they offered both the shampoo and conditioner together and not just one or the other. These are 9.2 fluid ounces. I love the packaging. I hear great things about how Amika smells. So, let me take the sticker off and give it a little sniff. Oh yeah, it smells really good. So, we'll definitely use this at some point. Right now I have multiple sets of shampoo and conditioner kind of waiting in the wings. So I don't know when this will fall into the rotation, but if and when I use it, I'll definitely use it. When I use it, I'll let you guys know how I like it. One of the other categories had the Amika Smooth Over Frizz Fighting Treatment, and your girl has very frizzy hair, especially in the summer. Another Amika product, I thought I might as well complete the little trio, so I did select this over some of the other options in the category. I'm excited to try this as well. Like I said, I have a lot of hair products to get through, but I will definitely use this at some point. All right, some more hair products. For this category, I chose the INH, which is insert name here. I believe that's the same brand as the little waving iron that I got back in the winter box, I think it was. And this is the Sleek Stick Hair Wax Stick. I have used something like this before, not this specific brand, but I do really like it for, or this type of product. I haven't used this specific brand before, but I like this type of product for like slick back buns and anytime that I have like flyaways that I want to stick down. It's just a wax stick, I imagine. I'm not going to open this right now because I don't need it right now. Like I said, I have one in rotation, but it's vegan, cruelty-free, no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates. So definitely will use this. And it says it supports UV protection. Interesting. All right, so the last thing from the choices of the box, and then I'll get into a couple of things I added on from their little add-on shop, is something totally different. Not a hair product. It's a candle. You know I love me a good candle. And it is all wrapped up very nicely. It's by Homesick, which I've never heard of before. And it is the Cheers to You candle. It says it's citrus and peony. Oh, it smells really nice. It is natural soy wax blend, and it's an 8-ounce candle. Very unassuming. It's not like super bright, loud, and in your face. You can turn it around and it's just very neutral. It'll match any decor. It is a nice like wooden top, and I could always use another candle. So that was the last item that I chose for my box, but I did add on a couple of things. They had in their little add-on shop some of my favorite brands, Necessaire and Way. If you guys have been watching my videos, you've heard me talk about Necessaire products and Way products before. I like them a lot. And one of these products I have tried before, the Necessaire body exfoliator. I have the little travel size of it and I love it. So they had the Necessaire full size in the eucalyptus scent, which is my favorite of the Necessaire scents that I've tried. And this is just really nice. It is a physical and a chemical exfoliant, if I'm not mistaken. It says use 1 to 2 times a week or as desired, apply all over the body, massage for foam, rinse well, do not use on damaged skin. It works really nice. It feels really gentle, and I love Necessaire products. I think they are incredible. And I got this at a really great price, which I don't remember right now, but I'll pop it up. So had to add that onto my box. And then I guess I didn't get enough hair products in my actual box because I added on another one. This is the Way Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask. I haven't tried any product like this from Way before. I think it was like $13. I love the packaging. It's so sleek. Looks so nice in my shower. And everybody knows that Way has an incredible smell. I anticipate this smelling amazing. It does. Very like spa-like. This is supposed to be really nice and not too heavy. So it should be good for fine to medium hair, which I have. So I'm really excited to add this to my shower and use it when I get through some of my other hair products. Like I said, I am just swimming in hair products right now. But I have a couple more after today to try. So that is it for my FabFitFun box for summer. Links are down below if you're interested in signing up. It's just a fun thing to get for yourself as a little seasonal gift. So I do recommend it. I love the products. It's always fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Bye.